Your washing machine is lying to you. Every single time you run a load of laundry, that machine is spreading something disgusting all over your clothes. And the company that sold you that machine, they know, they have always known, there's a black, slimy, toxic mold growing inside your washing machine right now. It is hiding in places you cannot see. It is coating your drum, your seals, your pipes. In every wash cycle, it is transferring directly onto your children's clothes, your bed sheets, your towels. You think you are cleaning your laundry, you are actually making it dirtier. The appliance industry has spent decades making sure you never figure this out, because the moment you do, you will never spend another dollar on their overpriced cleaning products again. What I am about to show you will change how you do laundry forever. A $2 bottle sitting in your kitchen right now can completely destroy that mold permanently. Stay until the end because the last tip will shock you. Let's talk about what is actually happening inside your washing machine. Open the rubber seal around your front loader door right now. Go ahead, pull it back. What do you see? Black spots, slimy residue, a smell that hits you like a wall. That is mold. That is living, breathing, reproducing mold sitting millimeters away from your clean laundry. And if you have a top loader, do not think you're safe. The mold is hiding under the drum, inside the agitator, deep in the pipes where no cleaning brush can reach. This is not a small problem. The EPA has linked household mold exposure to respiratory issues, skin irritation, chronic fatigue, and allergic reactions. Your kids are wearing clothes that touch that mold. You are sleeping on sheets that touch that mold. Every single wash. Now here's the part that makes people furious when they find out. You have probably already tried to fix this. You bought those washing machine cleaning tablets. The ones in the bright orange box. 8 tablets for $18. You dropped one in, ran the cleaning cycle, and thought the problem was solved. It was not. Those tablets mask the smell. They do not kill the mold at its root. Then maybe you called a technician. A washing machine service call costs between $150 and $400 depending on your area. The technician shows up, sprays some industrial cleaner, runs a cycle, hands you a bill, and leaves. 3 weeks later, the smell is back. The mold is back. Because nobody told you what actually kills it. Appliance repair companies in the United States alone collect over $4 billion every year from service calls and cleaning products. A massive chunk of that money comes from repeat customers dealing with the exact same mold problem over and over again. You are not a customer to them. You are a revenue stream. And they are counting on you never learning the truth. Here is where it gets interesting. The solution to washing machine mold has been publicly documented since the early 1960s. University researchers, independent chemists, old school homemakers who built houses with their bare hands, they all knew. White vinegar, specifically distilled white vinegar with 5% acidity, is one of the most powerful natural antifungal agents ever discovered. Studies from microbiology labs have shown that acetic acid, the active compound in white vinegar, destroys 82% of known mold species on contact. It breaks down the cell walls of mold spores and prevents them from reproducing. It does not just clean the surface, it kills the root, it kills the spores, it prevents regrowth for months. So why have you never heard this before? Because in 1968, the American appliance industry began a quiet but coordinated push to move consumers away from natural cleaning solutions and toward proprietary branded products. Internal industry memos from that era, some of which have been referenced in consumer advocacy publications, describe a deliberate strategy to make homeowners feel that DIY cleaning was unreliable and potentially damaging to machines. They funded vague warnings in appliance manuals. They lobbied for retailer partnerships that put branded cleaners front and center. They built a narrative that your machine is too complex, too sensitive, too expensive to risk cleaning yourself. Massive cleaning product corporations spent millions reinforcing this narrative through advertising. And it worked. Generation after generation of homeowners kept buying those orange tablets, kept calling those technicians, kept spending hundreds of dollars a year on a problem that costs $2 to solve permanently. You're watching this right now, you are about to join the 1% of people who actually know the truth. And once you know it, you cannot unknow it. White vinegar. That is it. That is the secret. A bottle of distilled white vinegar costs between $1.50 and $2.50 at any grocery store. The one you need is the standard distilled variety with 5% acidity. Do not buy the fancy apple cider vinegar. Do not buy the cleaning vinegar unless that is all you have. Plain, cheap. So white distilled vinegar is what destroys mold at the molecular level. Here is the simple science. Mold thrives in alkaline and neutral environments. The inside of your washing machine, coated in detergent residue, fabric softener buildup, and mineral deposits from hard water, is the perfect breeding ground. Slightly alkaline, warm, moist, dark. Mold paradise. White vinegar has a pH of around 2.5. When it comes into contact with mold, the acetic acid immediately begins to break down the fungal cell membrane. The mold cannot survive in an acidic environment. It does not adapt. It does not develop resistance. It dies. And because vinegar also dissolves the mineral buildup and detergent residue that mold feeds on, it removes the breeding ground entirely. Compare this to those $18 tablets. Those tablets use sodium percarbonate, releases hydrogen peroxide. That does kill some surface mold, but it does not penetrate the rubber seals. It does not reach the drum bearings. It does not dissolve the detergent scum that keeps feeding new mold growth. You are essentially mowing a lawn but never pulling the roots. Professional cleaning services use industrial-grade acid solutions that do a similar job to vinegar, but they charge you $200 to $400 for the visit. The chemical doing the work? It is functionally similar to what is in that $2 bottle you already have in your kitchen. The markup is not for the science, it is for your ignorance of the science. Not anymore. Now, here is exactly how you do this. This method works on both front loaders and top loaders. Follow every step. Do not skip anything. The first step is preparation. Before you touch anything, make sure the washing machine is completely empty. No clothes, no forgotten sock. Pull out the detergent drawer completely if it comes out. Set it aside. You are going to clean that separately. Take a microfiber cloth or an old rag and dampen it with pure, undiluted white vinegar. Wipe down every surface you can see and reach inside the drum. Do not rinse it off. Let it sit there. Then take that same vinegar-soaked cloth and open the rubber door gasket on your front loader. Pull it back gently and wipe every fold, every crevice, every black-spotted surface you find inside it. This is where the worst mold lives. It hides in those folds like a parasite. Wipe firmly. You will see the black residue coming off onto your cloth. That is mold dying. Keep wiping until the cloth comes away mostly clean. For top loaders, wipe the underside of the lid, the top of the drum walls, and if your model allows access, the inside of the agitator column. Now for step 2. Pour 2 full cups of white vinegar directly into the detergent dispenser drawer. If your machine does not have a dispenser, pour it directly into the drum. Do not add any detergent. Do not add fabric softener. Nothing else, just the vinegar. Step 3. Set your machine to the hottest wash cycle available. If your machine has a sanitize or tub clean setting, use that. Hot water activates the acetic acid and carries it into every pipe, every hidden crevice, every unreachable corner of your machine. Start the cycle and let it run completely. Do not open it midway. Step 4, and this is the step most people skip and then wonder why the mold comes back. After the cycle finishes, do not close the machine door. Leave it wide open for at least 2 hours. Mold needs moisture to survive. Keeping the door closed after a wash traps humidity inside and gives mold exactly what it wants. Leaving it open lets everything dry completely. No moisture, no mold. Do that after every single wash cycle from now on. That one habit alone will slash your mold problem by more than half. Step 5. Take the detergent drawer you removed earlier. Fill a bowl with equal parts white vinegar and warm water. Submerge the drawer and let it soak for 30 minutes, then scrub it with an old toothbrush. You will be horrified by what comes off it. Rinse it clean and reinsert it. Step 6. Repeat the full hot vinegar cycle once more. 2 cups of vinegar, hottest setting, full cycle. The first cycle breaks down the mold. The second cycle flushes out the dead spores and loosens any remaining buildup. After the second cycle, wipe the drum interior one more time with a clean vinegar-dampened cloth. Step 7 is maintenance. Once a month, run 1 hot vinegar cycle with 2 cups of vinegar and no laundry. That is it. 8 minutes of real effort once a month. That is all it takes to keep your machine permanently mold-free. One safety note. Never mix vinegar with bleach. Ever. That combination creates toxic chlorine gas. Vinegar alone is completely safe. No fumes, no damage to machine parts, no risk to your family. Thousands of people have now tried this exact method, and the results speak for themselves. One viewer from Ohio messaged saying she had been dealing with a musty smell on her laundry for 3 years. 3 years of rewashing clothes, buying odor eliminator sprays, replacing towels she thought were just old. 2 vinegar cycles, and the smell was completely gone. She calculated she had spent over $600 on cleaners, tablets, and 1 professional service call, trying to fix a problem that a $2 bottle solved in an afternoon. Another viewer, a father of 3 from Georgia, said his youngest had been getting a recurring rash from clothing washed in their front loader. Pediatrician visits, allergy testing, prescription creams. After doing the vinegar treatment, the rash cleared up within 2 weeks. The mold in the machine was the source the entire time. The results of this method last for months. And with this simple monthly maintenance cycle, you are looking at a permanently clean machine for the lifetime of the appliance. No more $18 tablet packs, no more service calls, no more rewashing laundry that comes out smelling worse than it went in. The before and after difference is not subtle. Within the first cycle, the drum smells clean and sharp. By the second cycle, that rubber gasket that was black and slimy looks almost new. The interior of the machine stops smelling like a basement and starts smelling like nothing. Clean smells like nothing. And your laundry Your laundry will smell the way it is supposed to smell, like fresh fabric, not like mold, not like chemical cover-up, like actually clean clothes. This information is being actively suppressed by the appliance cleaning industry. Share this with everyone you know who does laundry. If this opened your eyes today, hit that like button right now. Every like tells the algorithm to show this to more people who deserve to know the truth. Subscribe, because next week I'm exposing another household secret that the plumbing industry has been hiding for 40 years. A single kitchen ingredient that unclogs any drain permanently in under 10 minutes. No plumber, no $300 service call. And here is your final shocking tip. That fabric softener you pour in every single wash, it is one of the primary reasons your mold keeps coming back. Fabric softener leaves a waxy, oily film on the inside of your drum and your rubber seals. Mold feeds on that film. It is the food source that keeps the mold alive between cycles. Switch to half a cup of white vinegar in the fabric softener compartment instead. Your clothes will come out just as soft. Your machine will stay clean, and you will never again be paying for a problem that a $2 bottle already solved. You are smarter than they counted on. Now act like it.